Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ring Alarm Home modes with Alexa Guard. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Ring Alarm Home modes with Alexa Guard, start by ensuring you have both devices set up and connected. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the device's icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select cameras and then choose your Ring device from the list. In the settings for your Ring device, look for the motion settings. Make sure that motion alerts are turned on to enable notifications. Now, navigate back to the main device's menu and select Routines. Tap on the plus icon to create a new routine. Choose a name for your routine, such as Home Mode. Tap on when this happens and choose Device. Select your Ring device again and specify the trigger for your routine. Next, tap on Add Action and select Smart Home. Then, find and select your Ring alarm under the Smart Home options. Choose the action you want Alexa to perform, like setting the alarm to home or away mode. You can also add additional actions if needed, such as turning on lights. After setting up your actions, tap on Save to create your routine. Now, to enable Alexa Guard, go back to the main menu in the Alexa app. Select More in the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Guard. Ensure that your Alexa devices are set to detect motion and sounds while you're away. You can customize the settings based on your preferences. To activate the routine you created, simply say, "Alexa, I'm home," or "Alexa, I'm away." Your Ring alarm will respond according to the mode set in your routine. With these steps, you can seamlessly enable Ring Alarm Home modes with Alexa Guard for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.